Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the third exercise. Third exercise is first Roman. Find each of the following products. Find each of the following products. Following products. First one, 5/6 into 7/11. 5/6 into 7/11. Solution. The given value is 5/6 into 7/11. That is equal to, now we are multiplying the numerators and also multiplying the denominators. That is equal to 5 into 7 by 6 into 11. 5 7s are 35 by 11 6 are 66. 35 by 66. Second one, 6 into 1 by 5. 6 into 1 by 5. Solution. 6 into 1 by 5 is equal to, that means here by 1 is there. 6 means 6 by 1 is there. So multiply the numerators. 6 into 1 by 5, that is equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5. And the third one is, third one is 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5. 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5. Solution. 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5, that is equal to, here the two values are in mixed fractions, so we are changing to the improper fractions. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 into, here 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. So 7 into 16 by 3 into 5, that is equal to 16 7s are 112 by 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. We are changing to the mixed fraction. 15 7s are 105. 7 is the remainder. That is equal to 7 7 by 15. 7 7 by 15. And next, second Roman. Multiply and reduce the lowest forms. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Reduce to lowest form. Solution. First one, here, first one is 2 by 3 into 5 1 by 5. 5 1 by 5. Solution. 2 by 3 into 5 1 by 5 is equal to, first value is 2 by 3 into 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. Now we are multiplying the values numerators and also the denominators. 2 into 26 by 3 into 5. 26 2s are 52 by 5 3s are 15. So here 52 is dividing with 15. 15 3s are 45. So 7 is the remainder. So the mixed fraction is 3 7 by 15. 3 7 by 15. Next, second one is second one is 2 by 7 into 1 by 3. 2 by 7 into 1 by 3. So solution 2 by 7 into 1 by 3 is equal to, now we are multiplying the values 2 into 1 by 7 into 3. 2 1s are 2, 7 3s are 21. 2 by 21. And the third one, 9 by 3 into 5 by 5. 9 by 3 into 5 by 5. Solution 9 by 3 into 5 by 5 is equal to 9 into 5 by 3 into 5. So we can calculate that with the table. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Again cancel the third table. 3 1s, 3 3s. So the value 3 into 1, 3 by 1 1s are 1. 3 by 1 is equal to 3. So the value is 3. And the third sum, third Roman, which one is greater? Which one is greater? Which one is greater? Here the first values are 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 are over 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Here there are two values are there. In these two values, which one is greater? We will find that. Solution. The first value is 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. That is equal to 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. 2 by 5 of means into. Now we are multiplying the numerators. 2 into 4 by 5 into 7. 2 4s are 8 by 5 7s are 35. 2 4s are 8 by 5 7s are 35. So the value is 8 by 35. 8 by 35. And the second value is 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. That is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. Now we are multiplying the values. 3 into 1 by 4 into 2. 3 1s are 3 by 4 2s are 8. 3 1s are 2s are 8. So this value is 3 by 8. Which one is greater? In these two fractions, 8 by 35 is there, here 3 by 8 is there. In these two fractions, which fraction is greater value? Which fraction is greatest? How to find the value? Here the denominator is 35, here also denominator is 8. So different values are having, and also numerator is 8, here is 3. So they are also different value. So what we say that which one is greater? We are equating the denominators. So here the value is 35. So we are multiplying the second denominator, that means 8. 8 by 35 is equal to 8 by 35 into the second denominator value 8. 8 by 8. So we are multiplying and dividing the same value. 8 ones are cancelled. So 1. 8 into 35 by 8 by 35 into 1. So the value is no change. 8 8s are 64. So we are multiplying the numerators. 8 into 8 by 35 into 8. 8 8s are 64 by 35 into 8 times. See the value. 8 5s are 44. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 280. 64 by 280, and the second value is 3 by 8. So the value is multiplying with the first denominator value, that means multiplying dividing the 35. 35 by 35. Now we are multiplying the values. 3 into 35 by 8 into 35. 3 into 35. 35 3s 105 by 280. So the two values, denominators are 280 and 280. Both are equal. So the numerators are 64 and 105. This is the greatest value. This is the greatest means 105 by 280 means 3 by 8 is greater than this value means 64 by 280 means 8 by 35. 3 by 8 is greater than 8 by 35. Second one, 1 by 2 of 4 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. Solution. First value we are taking 1 by 2 of 4 by 7, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 by 7. Here we are cancelling the value. First of all, multiplying the value 1 into 4 by 2 into 7. Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Here cancelled in two table. Second table, 2 1s are 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. So the value is 2 into 1, 2 by 7 into 1, 7. Here cancel the second table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Second one is 2 by 3 of 3 by 7, that is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. 2 into 3 by 3 into 7. We are cancelling the value 3 ones, 3 ones, 2 ones, 2 by 7. So both are equal to 2 by 7 and 2 by 7. So which is greater? Both are equal. Both are equal. Both are equal. And next, write the fourth sum. Write the fourth sum. Rihanna works 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours each day on her embroidery. She completes the work in 7 days. How many hours did she take to complete her work? Did she take to complete her work? See the question. Rihanna works 2.5 hours each day on her embroidery. Rihanna working daily 2.5 hours. She completed the work in 7 days. So she completed in 7 days the total work. So total time is how many hours is she taken the complete the work? Write the steps. Fourth one, solution. Time spent Rihanna daily is equal to 2.5 hours. That means it is a mixed fraction. Now we are multiplying to the achieving to the improper fraction. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2 hours. 5 by 2 hours. How many days she worked? She worked in 7 days. Number of days Rihanna worked. Is equal to 7 days. How many days Rihanna worked is equal to 7 days. How many hours did she work? Total number of hours she worked is equal to 7 into how many days? 7 days. And each day, how many hours? 5 by 2 hours. That is equal to 7 5 are 35 by 2 hours. It is changed to the mixed fraction. 35 is divided into 2. 2 1s are 2. 1. 3 minus 2 1. Here the value is 5. 15. 2 7s are 14. 1 is the remainder. So the value is 17 1 by 2 hours. 17 1 by 2. 17.5 hours total work. Next, write the fifth sum. Fifth one, a truck runs a truck runs 8 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. Using 1 liter of petrol. 1 liter of petrol. How much distance? How much distance will it cover? Will it cover using 10 by 3 liters of petrol? Ten 2 by 3 liters of petrol. 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol. Solution. A truck runs 8 km using 1 liter of petrol. A truck runs 8 km using 1 liter of petrol. So, for 1 liter of petrol, the truck runs in 1 liter of petrol. The tractor runs is equal to 8 kilometer. 8 kilometer. Total petrol is equal to 10 to by 3 liters. 10 to by 3 liters. That is equal to, this is the mixed fraction. Now we are changing the value to the improper fraction. 3 times are 30. 30 plus 2. 32 by 3. 32 by 3 liters. 32 by 3 liters. So 1 liter of petrol the truck runs in 8 km. Here total 32 by 3 liters of petrol is there. So total distance traveled by the truck. Total distance traveled by the truck is equal to, now we are multiplying these two values, 32 by 3 into 8. 32 by 3 into 8. So we are multiplying the numerators. 32 into 8 by 3. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. 256 by 3. We are changing to the mixed fraction. Here the value is 256. Divided with 3. 3 8s are 24. 5 minus 4 1. Next value is 6. 16, 3 5s are 15. 1 is the remainder. So the value is 85 1 by 3. 85 1 by 3 kilometers. 85 1 by 3 kilometers. So total distance traveled by the truck is equal to 85 1 by 3 kilometers. 85 1 by 3 kilometers. 85 1 by 3 kilometers. Next, sixth one. Sixth sum. Raja walks 1 meters in 1 second. 1/2 meters in 1 second. How much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? Will he walk in 15 minutes? Raja walks 1/2 meters in 1 second. How much distance will he travel in 15 seconds? 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Solution. Raja walks in 1 second is equal to Raja walks in 1 second is equal to 1/2 meters. 1/2. That means change to the improper fractions. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3/2 meters. 3/2 meters. How much distance will you travel in 15 minutes? 15 minutes means how many seconds? In 1 minute contains 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, in 15 minutes, one minute is equal to 60 seconds. 15 minutes is equal to 15 into 60. So 0, 6 5s are 30, 3, 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. 900 seconds. 15 minutes is equal to 900 seconds. Total distance or total walking distance by Raja is equal to total distance walked by Raja is equal to total distance walked by Raja is equal to 900 into 3/2. 900 into 3/2. Now we are calculating the value. 2 tables, second table, 2 ones. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 1 is there. 10. 2 5s are 10. Here the value is 0. So that is equal to 450 into 3. 3 into 0, 0. 3 5s are 15. 1 is there. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1350 meters. 1350 meters. Total distance traveled by, that means walking by Raja is equal to 1350 meters. Next one is 7th one. Provide the number in the box. 7th question. Provide the number in the box to make the statement true. 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 First one, seventh sum. First one, 2 by 3 into is equal to 20 by 21. And the second one is 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into box by 5 is equal to 3 by box. Solution. First one, 2 by 3 into is equal to 20 by 21. So what is the value in the box? What is the value in the box? That means multiplying the numerators and multiplying the denominators. Here the first fraction is 2 by 3. Here the product is 20 by 21 is there. So 2 is multiplying with which value you get 20? 10. 2 is multiplying with 10. 2 tens are 20 by 3 is which value is multiplying with 21? 3 sevens are 21. 3 into 7, 3 sevens are 21. Because of this value, you can written the value of the form of 2 by 10 into 3 by 7. Okay, now first value is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is there. Second fraction is 10 by 7. So the value is 10 by 7. And the second one also, what is the value? 5 by 7 into by 5 is equal to 3 by so here 5 and 5 is there. So we are cancelling the fifth table. 5 ones and 5 ones are cancelled. So these two values are cancelled. These two values are cancelled because of 5 ones and 5 ones are cancelled. So here the remaining value is there. So 1 into this value is equal to this value. That means here the value is 3. Because of 5 ones are cancelled. 1 is there, 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. Here also cancelled in the fifth table. 5 ones, 1 is there, 1 into 7. 7. So the value, it is true or false? 5 ones cancel. 1 into 3, 3 by 7 into 1, 7. 5 ones are cancelled. So the value is, here the value is 3, here the value is 7. So the exercise 3 is completed. Next we will discuss the next topics.